Short run and long run. We take this stick manufacturer as an example. So this company will need the following to manufacture sticks: lumber, labor, machinery, and a factory. Suppose that the demand for hockey sticks has greatly increased. The company will be prompted to produce more sticks. We should be able to order more raw materials with little delay, so we consider that the raw materials to be a variable input. We also need extra labor, but we can likely increase our labor supply by running an extra shift and getting existing workers to work overtime. This is also a variable input. The equipment, on the other hand, may not be a variable input because it can be time-consuming to implement the use of additional equipment. The increase in demand for the sticks will have different implications in the short run and the long run at the industry level. In the short run, each of the firms will increase their labor supply and raw materials to meet the added demand for hockey sticks. This means that existing firms can change the size and number of factories they own, and new firms can build or buy factories to produce the sticks. In the long run, we will see new firms enter the hockey stick market, while we will not in the short run because firms will not be able to acquire all of the inputs that they need. The fiscal policy is a tool that the government usually uses in times of weak economy. In times of an economic recession or depression, government policymakers hope that fiscal policy will provide a short-term economic stimulus that leads to long-term growth, while the monetary policy includes the buying and selling of government bonds, and it also strives to protect the value of money and prevent inflation. For the money supply, there are several measures for it, such as the M1, the M2, and the M3. The money supply is considered an important instrument for controlling inflation by those economists who say that growth in money supply will only lead to inflation if money demand is stable. The broader the targeted measure, the more difficult it will be to control that particular target. However, targeting an unsuitable narrow money supply measure may lead to a situation where the total money supply in the country is not adequately controlled.